Today we're going to have only one code experiment. That's because in the code exercises, for today you're going to have many exercises. So we want to adjust the time so you don't feel overwhelmed. This experiment is about docstrings, which is these strings. Today you learn that you can use these strings as documentation strings, also called docstrings, for functions. But these kind of strings with these triple quotes can also be used for another purpose. They can be used outside of functions, and you can store them as you do normally in a variable. So write 3 quotes, make a break line, another one, another 3 double quotes, and in between you can write multi-line text. So with normal strings, usually you use them for short pieces of text, usually 1 line. But sometimes you might have text which spans across multiple lines. In that case, you want to use multi-line strings. So these are also referred to as multi-line strings when you use them outside of the functions. So for example, let's say we have this multi-line string. You can type in some text, several lines, whatever you like. Like that. And so there I have a multi-line string. Now what is the benefit of this? Well, if you print text now and I run this program, you see I'm going to get here the string as it is in here. So I didn't need to provide this special \n character which creates break lines, because these break lines are recognized by Python by default. So if you had a normal string, first of all, it's not recognized when you have it like that. You can get away with it by having here a backslash here, a backslash there, and here as well. So everywhere you have a break line, you need that backslash, and that would be fine. But if I run the script, this still is read as a plain string without break lines. So if you wanted break lines with a simple string, then you'd need to add, before that you need to add \n, run. Now principles of productivity is in 1 line, and you can do that for all lines. So you see that it becomes impractical to use a simple string when you want to have multi-line text. Therefore the solution is multi-line strings with triple quotes. So use multi-line strings whenever you have text which expands in more than 1 line. Thanks a lot and see you later.